Alright, hello, good day to you all. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. We got some Oofos. And that's all. That's all I have to say. I was gonna wait until they came out with more colors, but I grew impatient and I kind of ran out of things to review. So I figured I would go ahead and get these, and I might actually end up kind of decorating these myself. Maybe we'll do it in this video. I don't know. We'll see. So feel the ooh. We got another ooh. We got another ooh plus. So I actually am not. I'm not a big fan of the Oofos. The Oofos, like, full toe mule. Sorry it took 5 minutes to say that sentence. Because the lack of ventilation. They don't have a lot of ventilation in their, like, standard EVA mules. That's kind of why I really don't like, well, the mules that I have of the Oofos are the fabric ones. I'm a fan of the Ookoozies because they breathe. And the mesh ones I've been wearing are really nice too. So I had initially ordered the Ooahh like last year, and they didn't fit very well, so I sent them back, and I had no desire to reorder them, just based on the lack of ventilation. But here we have the Plus. Time to focus at the matter at hand, and I wanted to try the Plus to see if it was any better, because as some of you might know, I really enjoyed the slide. I really enjoyed the Ooahh Plus slide. That's my numero uno slide for 2026, and it's still holding strong. Nothing has knocked it off of the pedestal yet, so I figured we would give these a try. And there's still only 2 colors available. The bone, here's the Plus. The bone, or the off-white, the chalk I think it's called, and these have been getting dirty. I wear these daily. These are my daily kind of recovery slides. So I figured we would just try out the Plus with the mules. I went with the 12, there's the sizing, and I went with the black, as you can see. So I didn't want to get another white. And I'm really not super excited that these are black, so what I want is like another purple. You can see the DMX in the back there. I kind of want these to be purple. Maybe not that purple, maybe more of like a maroon. But I've got a bunch of Posca markers that I had purchased a while ago to decorate Crocs with, and those videos never really gained traction, so I stopped bothering. But I still have all these Posca markers, so maybe we'll do something with these. Alright, so enough rambling. Let's take them out the box and take a look at them and throw them on foot, because I've probably already lost the majority of my viewers by now. Too much rambling, too much yapping. Alright. So this has a scuff on it, I noticed. Right when I got it out of the box, it's got a scuff on the midsole there. So I'm guessing these have been purchased and returned already, but whatever. If I'm gonna color these, then maybe it doesn't matter. But let me see if I can clean that up real quick, because it's driving me crazy. Hang on. Alright, I seem to be making it worse. So, whatever. Moving on. Let me take this off, and we'll focus on the other one. That way I don't have to look at it. Alright, so the Oofos Ooahh Plus, as you already know by now, they look like little boats. They look like little sailboats. Got a nice curve at the toe. I think the slides do that too. Yep, little boats. Little boats. These are pretty much the same form, aside from the toe being encapsulated, and then also having some ventilation ports on the side. It does appear that we've got more of a cup in the back too, so they should hold on foot a little bit better. I don't know how well we're going to be able to get a look at the footbed with it being semi-enclosed. So it's got the nice footbed that just the slides have. You can kind of see it in there. You can see the nice arch bump. So it's a little difficult. So in case you're not familiar with the Ooahh PLUS, here's the footbed for you. So it appears to be pretty much the same footbed. Sorry, these are grimy. I wear these daily. These are my dailies. But they're very nice. They're super squishy, super chunky, very soft foam. I can give you a durometer test with these real quick. So Oofos has really nice foam. 15, bam. What? 11.5, 10.5. Are these softer than the slides? No, 18. My durometer's just cheap. 18. All right, so I think they're the same. I'm pretty sure the same foam. These are probably just broken in because I've been wearing them for a couple months now. So, all right, I think that's all we have to see in hand. Nice Oofos on the side. Our standard Oofos outsole to them. They all have the same outsole to them. If you've seen one Oofos outsole, you've seen them all. The logo in silver, which is kind of pretty. That's it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. 3 ventilation ports, closed toe. That's enough. That's enough. Let's look at them on my feet. Throw them on the footsies. I'm wearing my Birkenstocks. I've been breaking these in, and I am secretly falling in love with Birkenstocks, which is it's a very bad thing. It's a very, very bad thing because Birkenstocks are not cheap. So the fact that I am thoroughly enjoying my Bostons is a very bad thing because that means Birkenstocks is going to get lots more of my money in the future, which is not good because they're expensive. But the sizing is good. I'm glad I went down because these have molded to my feet already, and I only got them a week ago. It only took a few days. So if you are new to the Birks and they hurt your feet, just give them a little bit longer. They will form. All right. So the Ooahh PLUS sliding in impressions are nice. I'm feeling the same footbed as those slides. The sizing is good. I went up to the 12s, which I think I commented already. And they fit. These are running true to size. I've got a little bit of a heel slip just standing in place, but the room, the toe box, oh, I do have a lot of space up in the toe box. So I don't know, maybe you don't want to go with the 12s with these, because these are fitting kind of big. Let me go throw some socks on real quick. All right, so just walking to get these. To get socks. These are pretty floppy on foot. Too much flop. Yeah, the socks are a little bit better. Okay, which makes sense, like having the closed toe. It's kind of for cooler temps or more inclement weather. So if I was going to be wearing something barefoot, I would most likely be wearing the slides. But I'm bummed that these are blemished though with that giant, well, I made it worse, but that blemish on the side now, I'm sad about that. So I don't know if I want these or not. I'm not sure yet. So I'm getting the same on-foot experience. Let's do some walking. I'm getting the same on-foot experience, like underfoot, with these that I do with the slides. Like they're nice and chunky. nice and squishy, nice and comfy. They're very tall, very tall stack height. Let me see where everything's laying. Right. So I've got about a thumb's worth of space at the toe box, which is a lot. And I'm kind of nestled in at the back pretty well. So there you can see where my feet are. So these are huge. These are really big on me. But you can see where like the slides fit me though too. It's the same fitting. Well, if I slide forward, if I remove that space from the toe and put it at the heel, they do feel a little bit better. Like my foot feels more secure. It doesn't feel as floppy, just kind of nestling forward a little bit. So maybe the 11s and the clogs is the better sizing. Let's go down low real quick. So maybe sizing recommendation. If you're looking at getting the clogs, the plus clogs, maybe you want to go down on a half size. So I think that is up to you if you want them to fit more snug or if you want to have that breathing space, that extra ventilation space. So I haven't had these on very long and they are getting pretty warm. So like I had mentioned initially, that's kind of why I'm not a huge fan of just Oofos' like all EVA clogs, is because they're not very well ventilated. They don't have the best ventilation design on them. Just having the ports on the side is not sufficient. You kind of need a little more in the toe region, in my opinion. So I'm probably not going to keep these between the stuffiness and kind of the loose fit. They're really comfy though. I am enjoying these underfoot. And that scuff on the side, that's kind of making me sad. So I don't know. Like I was kind of excited to like color these and to customize these. But I don't know if I want to at this point. Just based on the fit, you know. Sorry. Loud motorcycles. That's what I get to try to sleep to, is loud traffic like that. I digress. They have a little weight to them. That is a characteristic about them too. So I don't know. I'm not liking the size up. I would probably like the size down a little bit better. They're still comfortable. They're still really good underfoot. I'm still getting like a lot of the similar like pros and positives that I get from the slides of this model. Just with the closed toe and the added warmth. So these might be a good option for like cooler temps if you're wanting like the plus experience with a closed toe variation for some cooler temperatures or more inclement weather. You're getting that experience with these. But they are stuffy. These are stuffy. And they are noticeably larger in the clog versus the strap. So, and I think the main factor is the ceiling, is the roof. So in the clogs, it's not as tight on the instep. You've got a lot more space with the top of it, whereas with the slide, like they intentionally brought the instep down tighter to fit more like a strap, you know, to hold them on foot a little bit better. So maybe had they done that also with the clogs, they would be a little better fitting. They wouldn't be so floppy, but just being the way they are, having that higher instep, I'm not getting like a good fit with the size up. So that's just my experiences with them. I do like these. I dislike them for all the reasons I just mentioned. The fit and the ventilation. I think those are my two main complaints with these. And the fact that I I always get blemishes, but that's partially my fault. I made it worse, but I'm not even gonna mention that. I'm just gonna send these back. Just say they were too big. Get my money's worth. All right, I think that's everything. Let me get some B-roll footage real quick. All right, these are, they're relative to the other Ooahs, which aren't that good. That's why I don't have the regular Ooahs in my library. That's why I just have the Ookoozies with either the mesh or the, I forget what they call it, like the insulated, what is it? It's like a puff coat, you know, whatever that is. Whatever that is. That's why I've got those as opposed to just the EVA. The Oofos EVA, because this is probably one of their weakest models, is just their Ooahh, because it doesn't breathe very well. It needs more ventilation to it. So Oofos, if you guys are watching this, maybe give us some more ventilation. If you want to keep with those ports, just carry them up further towards the toe box. That way it allows the forefoot to breathe a little bit more. So, yeah, I sent back the initial Ooahs, and I'm sending these back too for relative reasons. The regular Ooahs fit smaller; these fit too big. But still, just the ventilation ports. I think that's my main complaint with this design. So, but they feel good underfoot. Had I gotten the size 11, I probably would keep these because I do really enjoy the underfoot experience with this model, and that's why the slides are still my favorite. That's why the slides are still #1 on the top slide list. So if you haven't seen that video yet, and you're curious, bro, what's your favorite slide? Check out the top slides for 2026, and it's basically this slide. It's the Ooahh PLUS slide. So, all right. I think that's all I have to say. Sorry, this is a very scatterbrained video. A little lackluster, I guess, with my own personal experience. So sorry if that came through in the video as well. But all right, I think that's everything. These are good. Just size down, go down on a half size, and just be forewarned that they're stuffy. They're a little sweaty. But if you're a fan of like the mellow clog, the Oofos, if you're a fan of like the Crocs mellow clog, then you might be okay with these because that's how the mellow's designed. Hang on. Right there. That's how the mellow's designed. It's totally closed toe, and it just has some ventilation on the sides. So that's basically what these are doing too. So if you're a fan of the mellow, you might be cool with this model, but that's my only main complaint with the mellow is that it doesn't have a lot of ventilation. So it is what it is. It's not the best design. So I don't know. We'll see. I'm just not a big fan of the full EVA Oofos clogs, just because they don't breathe. So okay, that's all. Thanks. We'll see you in the next one. I have nothing on order right now, but you should totally like and subscribe the channel because there will be more in the future. I just don't have any money at the moment. So once I get paid next week, then we'll start ordering some more. But yeah, that's all. There's not a lot coming out right now either. That's part of the issue, is nobody's released anything. I still want to get the Nike Mind, but that's another one that I'm not real excited for because they are a gimmick, and people even admit they're a gimmick. All of the shoe tubers get them and they're like, yeah, they're a gimmick, but then they put them on their top 10 slide list. It's like, bro, it's not a slide. And you called them a gimmick. Why are you putting them on your top 10 slide list? But they probably gave him money. That is my guess. But anyways, I'm off topic. All right. Bye. We'll see ya. Take care.